Choose the Quick Selection tool. Select the screen, press Ctrl J. Add the top image and copy it. Right-click the original top image and click Create Clipping Mask. Select the copy of the top image. Select the subject with the Subject Selection option. Add a mask. Hold Ctrl and select both top images. Press Ctrl T and adjust the size and position. First, add some text. I also add a little bit of gap in the middle of the text. Choose the rectangular selection tool and make a selection around the text. Copy and then deselect it. Hide the text layer and add a new layer. Go to Filter and click Vanishing Point. Now add points around the road. Resize it and adjust the points if necessary until it covers the road. If it's red, make it not red. Paste the copied text. Choose the transformation tool and scale the word down a good amount. Then move it to the road. Again, adjust it the way you want. Click OK when finished. Then go to Blending Options, hold down Alt and move the right dark value slider to the right. Move the left one also a little bit to the right. Click OK when done. Copy the image. Select the subject with the Subject Select tool. Add a mask to it. Then add your text. Adjust the size, font and color. Position it to where you want it to be. Now make a copy of the text. Move the original text below the subject. Reduce the fill on the text copy to 0. Add a stroke. Select the same color as the original text. Set position to inside and adjust the size of the stroke to your liking. When done, click OK. Before we continue, a word from today's sponsor, NordVPN. Add an image with waves and make sure it covers the road. Change the blend mode to overlay. Give it a mask. Select the brush and make sure the color black is selected. Now brush over the waves except where the road is. If you remove too much, switch the color to white and paint over the removed parts. Then copy the road image and move it to the top. Change the blend mode to color. Add Gaussian blur filter to your image. 1 or 2 are good values. Then add a black and white filter. After that, go to File, Save As and save it as an PSD file. You can name it map. Now press Ctrl Z a couple of times and undo the steps. Add your text and style it the way you want. After that, go to Filter, Distort and choose Displace. Click Convert to Smart Object. Change the values to 20 or try different ones if you like. Select the file we saved earlier. After that, go to Blending Options. Hold Alt to split the blending value sliders and adjust them. You can copy me or try your own values. Press OK when done. You can also find all the used images in the description.